Today we're going to watch an exciting competition between two very different teams.
On one side, we have the strong and healthy fruits, full of energy and ready to run. And on the other side, we have the junk foods, who think they can win but might not be as fast as they believe. Let's see who wins this amazing race.
Apples red and oranges bright, bananas yellow, a healthy bite. Grapes so juicy, pears so fine, eating fruit makes you feel divine.
Chips go crunch and burgers big, soda fizzes with a wiggle and jig. Candy calls with colors bright, but too much makes your tummy tight.
Who will win this tasty race? Let's see the smile on every face. Fruitables hop and skip with cheer, junk foods wobble bringing fear. Fruitables win, hooray, hooray! Healthy food saves the day. Eat your fruits both big and small, they make you strong and happy, y'all.
And so the race was won not by speed alone, but by strength, energy, and health. The fruits crossed the finish line with bright smiles, proving that good choices always lead the way.
The junk foods, tired and out of breath, learn that quick thrills don't last forever. In the end, the real champions are the foods that give us the power to run, play, and shine every day.